Kia ora, this is task number 1. So we've opened up a Pro Tools session, and as it says in the description, we're going to name it AP504, Signal Flow Test, or SIG-Flow Test for short, and then your name. So I'm just going to put Daryl T on mine. I'm going to save this in the Documents folder, but of course I'm not going to rely on it staying there. So if I want to keep it, I'm going to make sure I have a backup. 24-bit, 48K, and remember there's a new I/O setting, Studio B 2026, has the labels around the right way. That's it, so hit create. Just as it says in the description, I'm going to create one new mono audio track. Remember your Pro Tools key commands, Shift Command N, and I'm going to name this one Mic. I'm also going to make a new stereo master track, and that's obviously defaults as master. As I talked about in the demo in Studio B, we'll use SSL channel 3 as our input, and we're going to send it out to SSL 23 and 24. So I'm just choosing 23 and 24 because they're right down the end of the desk. They're unlikely to be things that I'm going to use plugging mics in from the live room. It's also worth remembering that on the SSL, you can't have both the input from a microphone and the return from Pro Tools coming in on the same channel. So this is one of the reasons we separate it. Now I'm going to save my session, and that's it for task 1. But just as a bit of additional information for task 1, remember if you have any problems, you can open up the UAD console from the dock, and from there, go up to where you can reset the session. Double-click DEFCON Studio B, and that should erase any changes. Just remember, don't save. You don't want to save any changes that have been made to the default patch. If you want to look at it manually, all of the faders should be down at -infinity or muted, except for PC audio and DAW at the end, which are set up for us to play back without using the console. And there shouldn't be any plugins on the session either. So the short answer, the easy way to do it, go up, double click on DEFCON Studio B. If nothing's changed, it'll just do nothing. If something has changed, like this, when you double click, it'll say, do you want to save? And the answer is no, don't save. And with that done, that's the end of task 1.